Have you ever been working in Adobe Illustrator only to have the app crash or fail to update, leaving you wondering where the error information actually went? If you are looking for the Illustrator error log, you might be surprised to find that there is no single file inside the application itself. Instead, Adobe stores log files in specific system folders, depending on whether you are troubleshooting a crash, an installation failure, or a launch issue. In this video, I will show you exactly where to find these logs, how to decipher them, and the automated tools you can use to gather the data for support. If this guide helps you resolve your software issues, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let us jump right into it. First, let us talk about crash logs. If your application quits unexpectedly, your operating system generates a detailed crash report. On Windows, the best place to start is the Event Viewer. Press the Windows key plus R, type in Event VWR, and hit Enter. Once it opens, go to Windows Logs, click on Application, and then filter the current log to show only critical and error levels. From there, you can look for events associated with Illustrator, which often show up under Event ID 1000. Additionally, detailed dump files are usually stored in your local App Data Crash Dumps folder. Now, if your problem is related to the software failing to install or update correctly, you need to check the dedicated installer logs. Navigate to the C drive, Program Files x86, Common Files, Adobe, and then the Installers folder. Within this folder, look for any files named install.log or compressed files that end in potlog.gz. You can open these with any basic text editor, then use Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac to search specifically for the words error or fatal. Reading through these lines will often reveal what specific file or permission is blocking the install. Finally, doing all of this manually can be tedious. Thankfully, Adobe provides an automated tool called the Adobe Log Collector tool. This utility automatically gathers all relevant crash and installation logs into a single folder or a compressed zip file. This is the absolute best way to collect data if you are preparing to share it with Adobe support representatives. Once you have that file, you can upload it and they will be able to diagnose your specific issue much faster. By knowing where these system logs are kept, you can quickly move past errors and get back to your design work. If this technical guide helped you today, remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.